this look right over here. So this look might be quite heavy because this one is specially for Eid occasion. Yeah, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So guys, here I am spraying rose water on my skin so that my skin won't be reacting with heavy makeup and prevents it from pimples. Now here I am using my lotion. And now it's a time for primer. So I am using my gel primer over here. You can use any. And guys, here I am using my Lakme 925 weightless foundation. Now we have to blend it with the help of a blender. It's a time for our eye makeup, so I'm using my eye primer on my eyes. And now I'm going to blend it with the help of a blender. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows using a mascara. Guys, in eyebrow filling, the most important part is blending. So you have to blend it very firmly. And now I am doing the same thing with my other eyebrow. Now we will shape it. So for shaping I am using a makeup remover and a conical brush. So I am going to dip this conical brush in the makeup remover and squeeze it. Now I am going to remove the extra portion of my eyebrow using the makeup remover. And they are ready. So for the shadow part, I am going to use this dark grey shade on my outer sides of my eyes. So here I am going to do the same thing with my other eye too. And now I am using this light grey shade. I am applying it on my inner portion of my eye. And yeah, it's done. So here I am using this golden shimmery shade for blending the two shades which won't look imperfect. And here shadow part is over. So here I am done with my eyelashes too. Now I am going to use my mascara. And now it's time for liner. And here I am using my kajal. So here our eye makeup is done. Now I am going to apply this concealer on my cheeks and on my T-zone. And now I am blending it with a brush. And now it's time for our contouring. And here I am just going to blend my contour using a blender. So here it's done. Now I am using this blush on my cheeks. And the blush part is over. Now here's my favorite part, highlighting. I think it's every girl's favorite. So I'm using a fan brush for highlighting my cheeks and my nose. You can even highlight your upper lips and your lower lips. And yeah, it's almost completed. So here I'm using my lipstick. It's light pink in shade and it looks gorgeous with this look. And guys, you all can see that my eye makeup is going wow with this outfit. Everything is matching. So here's the final look. And if we talk about my hairs, so I like simple hairs, just side parting as I have done here. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you all like it. If you like my video, do like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be getting notifications for my every video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, love you all.